Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka District Disaster Management Authority jong kari Bhoi District. Benda kasngi kelayo ban sedang biang yang Jingai Hikai ke kinhun ke baa ni ke second batch jong ki Samla National Service Scheme NSS benong kum ki volunteer jong ke Yuva Abda Mitra Scheme YAMS kini ke Jingai Hikai ke sedang benda kasngi hari Bhoi College nongpo badan penkut pat khat khanai terik nai wiang arja arpusan. Hakan ni kasngi sedang yang kini ke Jingai Hikai lawan benedan ringkat lang dak kong Birani Additional Deputy Commissioner ke Bhoi District kum ke Kongsan uba BK Square Deputy Controller jong ke Civil Defence nongpo uba GMO tho DDMO kam Nodal Officer na lor kiwe kakong Birani haba ai jingkran hakani sngi kala ai ke jingro ek National Disaster Management Authority bat ke Sarkar Meghalaya halor ke jingpran kam ya ke YAMS ha ke district dag baong bakani ke sian jam ke pen I ke jingyo I jangai ke jongki kumno ban Hikai ban ai bor ki khon Samla bandong kum kita kinong jubab ban nongyarap ban ningkong Habadon kinu ki Jingjia. Kalau ongru kumba ke India ke dek bajumat bon ki Jingjia kum ki Jingshlei ki Jingtua Kendo Jumai bat ki Eryong bat walada ki tana trikam sarkar ki don nek benta ka bakraw handai bon sian ki dikinong shnong hi ki ba jingarap ningkong bat ki bala banwanra jingkala ban pelat ki mensim brio na ki Jingjia basosi. Kakong Birani kalau kentu ki volunteer bakin shimkhya bha ya ke ek baki yo Hikai bat ban samru shiki wede Naba ke disaster management kamdei tang banjubab hendai bandong kibel Pynkhreh ban ajing tep ban yadaru kumju dak banjur bakwe ke sin jam kum Pynkhreh kana banyada ban penim ya kibabun ki mensim brio shu ka kong Birani kalau ong begini ki Samla anda bakila dep Hikai pentebet Pynlong kum kadak jong ke jingkermen ke jingshlur ber ke kamram nak benda ki shnong ki thau ki jongki badru nak benta banwanra ya ke imlang ke salang ke baklan bat kebala ban job ya kinu ki Jingjia ki bawan lin shop.
And all the volunteers or the students who have come forward to be trained in the second batch of this Apna Mitra volunteer training and all the teachers accompanying you, friends of the media, is indeed another auspicious day for us as a district where we are gathered here today to train another batch, the second batch of the Apna Mitra volunteer. So it gives me great pleasure indeed to be here with all of you this morning for the inauguration of this second batch training of this Apna Mitra volunteers under the Yuva Apna Mitra scheme in Bhoi district. Let me begin by congratulating the National Disaster Management Authority and all those involved in bringing the important initiative in our district. The Yuva Apna Mitra scheme represents a visionary effort by the Government of India and NDMA to train and empower a youth as community first responders during disasters and emergencies. So we all know that India is a country highly vulnerable to a range of disasters, floods, landslides, earthquakes, cyclones and even fire incidents. While the government agencies and the emergency services play a crucial role, it is often the local community, the first people to respond to such emergencies and who are playing the greatest role, the far greatest role and who make the greatest difference in saving lives during such emergencies and also in reducing the damage. So this is where programs like the Yuva Apna Mitra, that means Friends During Disasters, become truly valuable. By equipping young volunteers with the right knowledge, practical skills and a spirit of service, we are building a stronger, more resilient society. Each of you, as trained volunteers, will become a symbol of hope, courage and responsibility in your community. So dear volunteers who are present here today, I urge you to take this training very seriously, learn every skill. I think you've heard Basware highlighting a bit of what you can expect from the training a while back, and we look forward to your enthusiastic response, and also you have to learn every skill, participate wholeheartedly in every activity and share your knowledge with others. Remember, disaster management is not only about response, it is also about preparedness, awareness and prevention. A single act of preparedness can save countless lives. That is why we take this training very seriously as the district authority.